Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, welcome once again to my channel and my Facebook page. Today I'd like to discuss with two types of electronic centrifuge machine with you. So if you'd like to know how to run centrifuge machine, like two types of centrifuge machine in a chemistry laboratory, it will be really helpful for you. At first I'll try my best to show one type of electronic centrifuge machine. So stay connected with this video. You are seeing that it's an electronic 8-2 electronic centrifuge machine, and in this specific machine you are seeing two button. The middle on, there is a greenish button that is called the, you can say, power button. In this you are seeing that it's a power button, and in the power button you are seeing that it's a you can say 0 state and 1 state. 0 state indicates that's turning off, and 1 state that indicates that's turning on situation. So if you'd like to turn on the machine, then you have to press on 1, and then if you'd like to turn off, then you have to press on 0. Then in this way you'd like to run this machine. But I would like to give some insightful you can say rules and regulations in case of using this specific machine. And in the right hand side you are seeing that it's a one regulator machine. There is a, you can say, speed button. Then if you'd like to centrifuge your you can say Falcon tube in higher speed, or lower speed, you have to keep in this specific position. But if you'd like to run your Falcon tube rotation in higher amount, then you have to rotate clockwise, and in this way you'll be able to centrifuge your different kinds of solution. And in the internal chamber you are seeing that it's a there are approximately 12 number of holes, and in these holes you'll be able to keep different Falcon tube. It's a Falcon tube, and in this specific Falcon tube you'll be able to keep your solution. And I'll press two Falcon tube, and I'd like to say something that is related to professional way to handle or manage centrifuge machine. When you'd like to press one centrifuge machine in one hole and you would like to turn on the machine, then it will face different kinds of problem. It can jumping on from one place to another, and you will be in awkward situation. So you have to keep in your mind that one Falcon tube in this specific holes, the opposite Falcon tube will be in 180-degree position. That means it will be totally opposite position. That means it is totally 180-degree position of this against this specific Falcon tube. So you have to keep in your mind that the two Falcon tubes should be in opposite position, and otherwise different kinds of jumping you will be able to see. And if you like to press two Falcon tube in this surrounding position, then it will also create jumping, and it will create different kinds of problems. So you have to keep in your mind, and this is the essential you can say rules and regulations in case of using this specific you can say centrifuge machine. So guys, that's all about today. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned, stay connected with this channel, and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for watching this kind of videos in near future. Assalamu alaikum.